Yes, I love that.
I'll do all that I can.
Okay.
We're heading for something somewhere under the moon.
Wait a minute. I am waiting for that part because that is such an